Today we're going to take a look at how dents were pulled before stud welders. The side we just looked at has to be nice and straight like this, but it's bent in a little bit and we're going to pull it out. In the old days you would take a body shim and weld it wherever you needed to pull from. In this situation we're going to pull on that body line right there while hitting right here, and it should pull that back. Here's a close-up shot of how the pogo stick hooks into these shims. We'll be pushing down on the pogo stick, which will pull on these shims, and this is very strong right here. There's a bumper bracket right behind it which is connected to the frame. And we just want to get this body line straight. So while we pull on that, we'll be hitting right here. In case you're wondering, there's nothing wrong with the tail light opening. But when we pulled right here, we do want to tap right here because as we pull, this comes out a little bit with it. So we want to keep that there and encourage this to come out. This was some old damage that needed to be reworked. So now that we have that body line nice and straight, we can fill it, prime it, and paint it. I hope you enjoyed this video on how dents and other unibody structures were pulled before having stud welders. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.